are you doing?
You know, the theme from The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly.
Well, at least you got the bad and the ugly down. I dare you to shoot first.
Okay, I'll shoot first. All right, this looks phenomenal. So I got to shoot first. Here's what my setup is. So I took an FJ400 as my key light with the Switch Octa M, the medium softbox, as my key light. I wanted to look like the sun was behind our subject, so went outside the barn and up on a 13-foot light stand, put an FJ200 with a CTO, color temperature orange gel, so it looks like sun. And then I took a shot, but I didn't really like the fact that you couldn't see any of that orange coming across the subject. So we took another FJ200 with a CTO as well and put it hidden inside the stable so that it's getting our subject a nice rim of that nice orange light. So let's take a look again and let's work this scene a little bit. Against that side, cheating more because we got the fake sun off to this side coming in across too. And let's have you, I think, point it out. So you can, come up on one heel a little bit. And I think that back shoulder can turn towards me. Yeah, and let's see that, yeah, there you go, that back shoulder.
So hey, what I thought about, Mark just took his first shot, now I'm taking my first shot, is I just pulled out the two lights. So our other light is still sitting in back of the barn there. We're using the FJ400, that's my main light on Izzy. She's kind of up on this fence post here. And then our FJ200 still has a gel on it, but it's kind of lighting up that background just slightly to give us that nice, kind of that nice glow look. And I think it's turned out awesome. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so Steve, I got an idea. I want to think I can maybe shoot it this way, straight down. I like those slats back there, the way they're lighting up. I'm gonna see how this is gonna look. Ooh, I love this, but I wished I could see the hay better, but...
Hey.
What?
Don't be lazy. Let's take that other light.
Okay, I'll go around the back and I'll grab the other light.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, that makes all the difference. I'm so glad that we weren't lazy. So anybody that has shot with us ever knows our mantra over the years has always been, don't be lazy. And that's worth not being lazy right there. Okay, so this shot I just took, my power is set to 4. And one of the problems that I think I've had over the years is I tend to overlight. I like dramatic images, but I overlight it. I'm taking it down to 2.5. So I've cut that light almost completely in half. And I think this gives me such a better balance between natural light and I still get the dramatic shadows and highlights that I like. So just always think, can I turn my light down a little bit more?
All right, so we're setting up this next shot and we got her set up over here on some hay. And I thought, what we want to probably do is try to grab our grid. We're gonna put the grid up on our FJ400 with our Media Octa softbox and just see how that works. Right now we're getting a lot of spill coming off the bottom onto the hay, but we're gonna try it with the grid and see how that turns out.
Okay, I have to admit, Steve said we ought to put a grid on there. not get as much spill onto the hay. I immediately thought, I don't want to do that. I was getting lazy. Steve said, nope, don't be lazy. Pulled out the grid and just take a look at the shot. That's a wow shot. This is another one of those times where by being lazy, I was getting a good shot. By adding that second light, I just got a great shot. It just gives it so much more depth with that light coming in from the side. Okay, so remember what we said? Don't be lazy. So my first thought always is, I can just shoot whatever's closest to the car, but sometimes you got to get out and walk. Let's go a little further.
All right, we hiked 17 miles up to the top of the hill. Mark made it. Izzy made it. What a view.
Are gonna look so cool. You got Mount Shasta, that tree. Wow. You know, we talk about pictures that kind of make you a little fluttery. This is one of those shots. I mean, I don't know how you could do any better. I mean, somebody could, but I don't know how you could do any better. Wow.
What a great finish to a great day.
What an amazing day. The pictures were phenomenal. And why?
You know why? Because we practice what we preach,
Exactly.
Right?
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
And how many times a day did we have to say it to each other? Like,
About
no,
50.
don't be lazy.
Don't be
you
lazy.
need to get
the other light.
That's right.
Put on
Put my glass on so I can see.
what do you call it thing? A gel, and just don't be lazy. But man, Izzy, good job.
Fantastic job.
Crushed it. Just great day. Stunning pictures.
Yep. And why do we love this Westcott gear? Because it does what it's supposed to do.
It just works.
It just works.
Every time.
That's right.
All right.
Hey, don't forget.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
But you can't hide.